Do you know why an oil change service at your main dealer can cost anywhere between 800 and 2,500 dirhams? It doesn't matter if you own a Toyota or a Bugatti. Watching this video till the end will help you save thousands of dirhams every year on your oil change service. So, the next time you take your car for an oil change, you know exactly what you're paying for. So we're gonna go behind the scenes with Albert, who's gonna show us the on-site oil change process that's gonna save you a lot of money at the press of a button. You ready, Albert?
Let's do this.
To carry out an on-site oil change process professionally, you need a custom designed service van that is fully equipped with a suction machine, air cylinder, and ramp. Then we jack up the car and drain all the old oil out from the engine. Add new oil, change the oil filter according to the car's specifications, and check the level with the dipstick. Next, we top up the essentials such as brake, coolant, transmission, and wiper fluids, check the tire pressure, and fill up with air if necessary. Next, we run an overall diagnostic to look for trouble points in shock absorbers, brake pads, battery health, engine leakage, and tire threads. Set a reminder with the customer for their next oil change date. And khalas, just like that, you're done without needing to come into the service station. Thanks, Albert.
You're welcome. And remember, for all your car worries,
Call Battmobile.
Call Battmobile.